In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see LinkedIn post analytics. This is an essential skill that will allow you to understand your audience's engagement with your content and optimize your professional presence on this important platform. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser of choice and head over to LinkedIn's homepage. At LinkedIn.com. If you're not automatically logged in, take a moment to sign in. You can do this seamlessly by using your Google or Microsoft credentials. Alternatively, if you prefer the traditional route, just enter your email address and password. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is highly recommended for security, be prepared to verify your identity. LinkedIn will send a code to your phone, so have it nearby to complete the process. Once you're successfully logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your avatar picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled View Profile. Go ahead and click on it, which will take you to your LinkedIn profile page. Once you're there, scroll down until you reach the Activity section. This is the hub of your LinkedIn interactions. Click on the Show All Activity link. This will provide you with a comprehensive overview of everything you've posted, liked, or commented on recently. You'll notice tabs for posts and articles. These tabs categorize your content, letting you delve deeper into what you've shared. If your focus is specifically on post updates, simply click on the Posts tab. If you're interested in articles you've written, click on the Articles tab for more detailed insights. Next, after making your selection between posts or articles, direct your attention to the specific post or article you wish to analyze. You'll see an option to click on the number of impressions located at the lower left corner. Or you can select View Analytics at the lower right corner. This step is crucial as it unveils a wealth of information regarding your post's performance. The Analytics feature will display valuable metrics including the number of impressions, clicks, shares, and other engagement indicators. By routinely checking these analytics, you can refine your content strategy to focus on what truly resonates with your audience, thereby improving your LinkedIn presence. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to accessing LinkedIn's post analytics. With this tool, you can better understand your audience and decipher what content engages them. This insight allows you to enhance your professional outreach, make more impactful connections, and build a stronger LinkedIn presence. Thanks for joining me today to learn about this powerful feature. Make sure to apply these tips to reach your professional goals on LinkedIn effectively.